And now it's time for our lightning round. What you're about to see is 10 short skits played in rapid succession. Some of these we stole from various cartoons or TV shows, and others we wrote ourselves. And when I say we, I mean Mr. Pelham mostly.
With extensive revisions from the cast.
Right. So with no further ado, the cast will now present the lightning round.
Look, here comes the new coach. Okay, team, let's be sharp. I hear he's hard to keep up with.
Okay, everybody, let's get this practice started.
Where do you want us, Coach?
All right, you men. Pair off into threes and line up in a circle.
Okay, wait. And now we watch as Solveig accomplishes yet another item on her personal bucket list. Yes.
Well, it took you long enough.
Excuse me,
Yes?
why is there a bell on your shoe?
It keeps the bears away.
But there are no bears in here.
You're welcome. Okay, Abigail, you're doing well. We've almost got this bomb fully diffused.
Okay, Solveig, what's next?
Let's see. Okay, it says next, cut the green wire. But not before cutting the blue wire. And now we look back in time to young Einstein as he conducts an early experiment on the speed of light.
Das war's!
All right, you men. When you get out there and find yourselves low on motivation, just remember the mortal words of Henry Patrick. Kill me or let me live.
acting.
Soap, 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 soap.
What in the world are you doing?
Just trying to sing about 8 bars.
We're running late, folks. Where's Johnson with the key?
Oh, Johnson. I don't know, but I'm freezing out here.
Oh, there she is.
You better have a good excuse this time. There they are, silly me. Well,
Oh, I would have been here sooner, but I'm just getting here now.
that makes sense.
Hey, watch this.
Welcome to Willie's. What can we get ya?
I'd like 2 double cheeseburger combos with bottles of water. Oh, and please hold the strawberries.
Strawberries?
No, thanks.
Hello? Is anyone there?
Welcome to Willie's. What can we get ya?
Okay, I'm gonna order several things, so here goes. Okay, I'd like 2 number 1s, large size, both with Diet Cokes. You getting that? And I need a number 3, sandwich only, meaning no fries, with a small Sprite. And I need the fish fillet sandwich, 2 of those actually, and that's just the sandwiches without any fries or drinks.